Hi and welcome back, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to upload a file to your website, and then I'll show you how customers then can download that file. So if you've been on the channel, you'll know that I do pages like this in the simple video lessons, and when this video is done and you're watching it, you'll be able to come over and find the video here. The download that I'm going to show you how to do is this one here. And what customers can do is obviously click this link here, and then they will be able to download your file document, PDF, something like that, which this is. Actually, in this PDF, it might be worth coming along and just downloading it and having a look at it if you're looking to buy a domain. And in the actual domain workbook, you'll be able to find all the different sections on these here. And then also, obviously, if you come back, you can actually see the resources, and I'll have them down here. So to actually add a file to your website, first of all, you've got to add a content block. So what I'm going to do is just add everything at the bottom of here, and then you'll have a better idea how to do it. So we would add a content block, and then what you'll need to do is go under content and go down to apps. And then from apps, you'll need to go to file download. Now, what that is when you've got a file on your computer, you would be able to upload that file from your computer, and then what it would do is be in here. Now, as you can see, that is the actual workbook. So if I click on that, and then what that's done is that's actually put the file in this block here. So now what you can do is you could add an image. So if you click on there and click just there, again it will go back to your files, and then what you can do, you can add an image. So let's say I'm going to add that image, save it, and there you go, that adds the image in there. And then like I say, you can change this as well. You can either change it or just rewrite it just by clicking on it. Obviously it's you can just do that. Then also under download, what you can do, just save that, and then on download, if you click on that, then you can write up here exactly everything that you want to put, like free download, etc. And then you would save changes. And then when somebody visits your website, what they would do is obviously click on that, and then when they click on that, it would actually download it to their computer. So really, that's just a way of, or a simple way of actually adding a file so a customer can come along and download it. And like I say, if you've got any questions, then please come and either drop a comment at the bottom of the video, or come over to the contact form and contact me via that. If you're not subscribed yet, then please do, or just give me a thumbs up, which would help the channel grow. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.